AI in accounting from bookkeeping to strategic business management. AI is transforming accounting from a record-keeping function into an intelligent business decision system. The future belongs to organizations that use accounting data to generate business intelligence, not just financial statements. Accounting has evolved from manual books to computerized systems and is now entering the era of AI-powered accounting. While computerized accounting has improved speed and accuracy, it also demands stronger controls, audit trails, data integrity, and regulatory compliance. Modern businesses expect accounting software to do much more than record past transactions. They need dashboards, analytics, forecasting, profitability analysis, inventory intelligence, cash flow planning, and AI-driven insights that support faster and better decisions. AI is reshaping accounting through automation, predictive analytics, risk detection, intelligent reporting, and decision support. Organizations should therefore choose accounting systems based not only on current compliance needs, but also on future growth, operational efficiency, and strategic business objectives. Through this series, I shall explore these emerging trends from the perspective of business owners, CEOs, managers, and accounting professionals. I invite you to share your views and experiences so that together we can build a practical and meaningful discussion.